Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MG2220 series printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't really matter which one, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MG2220 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should say Canon support for PIXMA MG2220. Go ahead and select that, and then scroll down on this page underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then you want to go and select the MG2200 series MP drivers. Select download. And then once it's done downloading, go ahead and run that setup file and select yes. And now at this point, you can go ahead and just close out of the web browser if you want, and select next. Select your location and agree to license terms. And then you can go ahead and follow along with the on-screen prompts. Make sure you're following it directly, whatever it's suggesting here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.